After logging into the system, in the page header, you will see the application modules available to you, the search box, the user profile and the logout button. Below, you will see a dashboard with widgets set by default. Each user can customize the list of widgets displayed on dashboard. You can make changes by clicking the button My Profile, visible in the Settings widget, or by clicking on your name and surname. In the user profile, you can modify the data in individual tabs. In the first tab, you can change the basic information such as your name, email, password, and also add a photo and job description. In the Preferences tab, you can customize the language, time zone, and date formats. Notifications sent by the system you can turn on or off in the Notifications tab. You can customize the dashboard view by going to the Widgets tab. If you want to turn on the widget, hover your mouse over it, hold on the left mouse button and move it into the section of the selected widgets. After leaving the profile, your dashboard will be automatically updated.